What is going on, guys? Today we found ourselves on Sawmill, and there's just one thing I want to point out. I'm going to turn view models off now. You can do this by going into TF2 advanced options and then scrolling down to here, draw view models. Uncheck that. Yeah, that's good. So basically what it does, you can't see my weapon, but in the bottom left hand corner on my little guy you can see him. Anyway, that's old guy. He's a derp. He's also the guy you can hear in the background. Anyway, good old King of the Hill, Valve servers, because why not? Oh fuck.
Yeah.
I can't even get up there.
I can't aim, so it's all good.
Oh, there he is. Oh. I can't aim. It's confirmed. I can't aim. Anyway, yeah, I'm just using a festive scattergun. This pyro's pretty cool. This is Valve servers in a nutshell as well.
You're not steady. No one likes heavy.
Is there heavy there?
Yeah, the Natasha's.
Oh yeah, Natasha. That's not a spy at all. Probably down there. Oh, there's a spy.
Got like 20 seconds up. Ready. Sniper.
Can't even.
Sniper.
What the fuck?
Okay, that was sweet.
He's gonna get a random crit, isn't he? No, he didn't get one. Fuck you, NG. I do like 29 damage, and I'm like, yeah, it's meat short. It's heavy. Let's try something fancy on this heavy. Oh, alright. That was alright.
This is sniper.
Anyway. Oh. Yeah, just 3-rune blade. I'm never gonna use that weapon.
Oh, this guy's in W sucks.
Whoa, shit. That was such a... These crits. Oh yeah, I see him. Is that Muselk?
I shot it. I shot what the...
Wait, does my scattergun... Nah. Anyway, my scattergun's signed. So...
Oh, rich.
Yeah. Oh, it says you've got a max signed sniper rifle. That's not a spy at all.
No one knows who Max is.
Yeah, shit, these... Anyway. Something here. Live commentaries are stupid as. I don't even know why I record these anymore. This sniper. Whoa, what was that?
Oh, that's spy, just like solo.
Wait. Sniper hasn't learnt.
They have, sorry.
Shh!
Every single person using dead ringer here. Why? Why does it dead ringer?
Alright, so,
6 billion.
I've honestly
This
no
demo
clue.
is...
Like,
This demo is...
oh,
like,
this heavy wants some.
demo really wants to follow me, like, across the whole map.
I don't,
No,
I actually don't know what's happening.
He's still following me. That demo followed me, like, from their base to our base.
Shit. That NG is low. NG, like, billion engineers. He's got a gunslinger as well. Anyway, that's rampage done. Do something fancy on this medic. You what? Oh, what a handsome looking scout. Oh wait, that was me. That's a spy. Why does it always say report ready to submit? Anyway, that's just one round. I reckon I'll record another.
You kinda solo carried over.
I don't know. I saw that spy, I'm like, alright, sure.
But look, it's definitely the real star right there.
Wait, where?
It's because his name is Fake Star.
Whoa, I got lag. Anyway, this is just gonna be the last round that I'll record. It's a pretty good scout thing right there. That's not a spy at all. He's dead ringed somewhere.
If I could hit a headshot, that'd be pretty cool.
Finish him off, finish him off. He's on crits.
Nice.
What? I can't hit him? Apparently I can't hit him.
Touch on his spine. Eat the ham.
Whatever. I think that medic was lagging quite a bit. Oh, don't cap the point. Who does that?
Sawmill.
Is that you? Oh, it is
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Just changes to Girardi. Give me those cap points as well. I only cap at like the last minute to get the points. Huh. Even, oh, Brass Beast Heavy. He hasn't learned his lesson yet.
I'm gonna have him. I'm gonna wait till he comes underneath.
It's fine. It's why everybody knows that's why you don't use the Brass Beast. Whoa, shit. Crit pistols. That spy's dead, Reno. Can you get him? Alright. Shit.
Eat the ham.
That's... Nah, I shouldn't have done that. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, you're respawning. No wonder.
Respawning.
Alright, what's up? Let's go. Hey, do you want a quick fix medic me? Quick fix. You're gonna be like the most useless medic. Alright, let's roll. That's not quick fix.
I know, I'm going normal, man.
Oh, whatever.
Alright, let's go.
You're not gonna keep up. That's not a spy at all.
Already got a heavy medic over there.
That's not a spy either. This team has like a billion spies. I'll give a scout.
Yeah, it's
Medic.
Sawmill. Why is he a spy?
Old guy, where are you? Please.
Getting flogged.
The flog is real. I can't hit anything with the pistol. Oh yeah, there's a pyro coming down. I'm just gonna ambush.
Heavy medic.
The fuck, why is this demo man got... Oh, he's a spy, isn't he?
No way. Practice types.
Wow, they just roll in the scout. There he is.
Heavy medic.
That's meat shot. Alright, heavy medic, pyro on point. Oh, this NG might want to die. Wow.
If I could like fix it, that'd be pretty good.
I miss 60% of my shots. Why is Fraps so laggy?
Where did you just come from? What just happened? Oh my god.
Oh, that heavy. He's got overheal though. That's fine. It's fine.
It's all good. Oh my god, that was crazy. That scared me.
Oh, that's right. I don't have any ammo.
The demo behind you, apparently.
What the fuck was that?
Straight line.
Oh my god, why is this so laggy?
Why could I only shoot standing still?
Why did I... Oh, this
Punish resistance.
medic wants some. I'm getting wrecked. That guy had a crit.
Oh my god. Yeah, I'm failing. You guys can't
Valve
see that.
servers. Valve servers. Only on Valve servers. Oh, that's not a spy at all. Yeah, alright then. That's a pretty convincing disguise you have there, sir. He's gonna chase. Yeah, you got the health pack. Nice job. Oh, Pyro's probably... Oh no, I didn't save the scout. Hey, what's up? High five. High five. What a faggot. I swear, doesn't even high five.
Okay, let's go.
He's so dog. Oh.
What are you doing? Okay.
Guy who looks like Missile.
Looks like myself.
There's a heavy up there, I might as well.
Oh my god. I could hit him, that'd be pretty cool.
Hello, what's up?
I could hit someone, that would help.
Shit, there's like this soldier there. I like how the soldier trips if you hit him from below. Alright then, that's not a spy at all. This is not a spy. Not at all. There we go. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this live commentary. Peace out.